Looking to escape to Paris on your next vacation? Welcome to Discover.Learn.Travel. Today, let's explore the enchanting neighborhood of Montmartre in the 18th arrondissement of Paris, France. With its rich history, artistic flair, and romantic atmosphere, Montmartre has been a favorite destination for travelers for years. Wander down its cobblestone streets, enjoy a coffee in one of its charming cafes, and marvel at the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica overlooking the city. It's the perfect spot to spend a relaxing day in Paris and was a highlight of our trip. But before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for daily explorations. Number 1. Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a must-see landmark in Montmartre. Located at the highest point in the city, this stunning basilica offers incredible views of Paris. With its unique architectural style and beautiful interior, it is sure to leave you in awe. Once inside, be greeted by a magnificent mosaic of Jesus Christ with open arms. Explore the chapels to admire the mosaics, light a candle for your prayers, and take a moment of silence in front of the host. Don't forget to climb the dome for a breathtaking view of Paris. It's worth the climb. A visit to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica is an experience you won't forget. Number 2. Moulin Rouge. Montmartre is well known for being the birthplace of Moulin Rouge, a famous cabaret loved worldwide. The colorful windmill on top of the building has become a symbol of the neighborhood. Visitors can still enjoy cabaret shows and experience the lively nightlife in the area. The Moulin Rouge is a magical place where the Parisian party spirit has thrived since 1889. Come and witness the spectacular Fiery Revue show, featuring 80 artists from around the globe and over 1,000 dazzling costumes. Be amazed by the breathtaking acts and the iconic French cancan dance. Don't miss out on an unforgettable evening of enchantment in the heart of Montmartre. Number 3. Place du Tertre. This vibrant square in Montmartre is known as the Artist Square. It's a buzzing hub of cafes, art galleries, and street artists displaying and selling their creations. Visitors can get their portrait painted or pick up one-of-a-kind artworks. The atmosphere here is steeped in folklore, with restaurant terraces and easels filling the space. 140 spaces are shared by 2 artists each, taking turns to work. The historical significance of this square is truly captivating. In 1790, Montmartre's town hall was established at number 3, followed by the founding of the Vieux Montmartre Association in 1920 at number 19. The term bistro was born at the Sheila Maya Catherine Cafe in 1814. Russian soldiers would shout bistro, meaning quick in Russian, as they hurriedly downed a drink before rejoining their ranks. Adjacent to the square is the Église Saint-Pierre de Montmartre, which houses Roman remains from the Abbaye de Dauma. Number 4. Atmospheric streets. Strolling through the narrow, winding streets of Montmartre is a delightful adventure, giving you a peek into the vibrant world of Parisian culture and history. The charming, colorful buildings, cozy cafes, and hidden treasures in every nook and cranny all add to the neighborhood's undeniable allure. One of its most famous streets, Rue Lepic, is a standout with its authentic Parisian vibe and lively atmosphere. As you meander along this iconic street, you'll discover bustling markets, quaint bistros, and unique artisan shops, each contributing to the special charm of Montmartre. Whether you're enjoying a fresh espresso at a sidewalk cafe or browsing the eclectic offerings of local boutiques, Rue Lepic truly embodies the timeless appeal of Montmartre. Number 5. Amélie Poulain. The charm of Montmartre got a big boost with the release of the 2001 French film Amélie. This amazing movie showed off the neighborhood's unique beauty and quirky vibe, capturing the hearts of viewers all over the world. Lots of memorable scenes from the film were shot in the lively streets of Montmartre, adding to its magical allure on screen. Fans of Emily often make a special trip to the neighborhood to see the iconic places featured in the movie. From the cute Café des Deux Moulins to the charming Abysses metro station, these spots are like little reminders of the film's lasting impact and the everlasting charm of Montmartre. Number 6. Les Clos Montmartre Vineyard. In the charming Montmartre neighborhood of Paris, there's a picturesque and historic wine-making area known as Clos Montmartre. This vineyard, which has roots dating back to the Gallo-Roma era and reached its peak in the late 18th century, was established in 1933 through the efforts of a new dedicated individuals and local associations and with the support of the municipality. Located on the slopes of Montmartre in the 18th arrondissement of Paris, Clos Montmartre is owned by the city and managed by the Comité de Fêtes des Actions Sociales de Montmartre, Paris 8e. Established in the 12th century and historically managed by residents, the vineyard produces various wines such as Le Clos Berthoud, Le Goutte d'Or, and Il Piccolo. Initially, the wine was produced for local consumption, but now the vineyard has expanded and produces around 1,800 bottles annually. Number 7. Place Dalida. The Dalida statue in Montmartre, France, pays homage to the iconic singer and honors her legacy in the neighborhood she cherished. Interestingly, rubbing the breast of the statue is believed to bring luck in love. In addition to the statue, Dalida is also remembered with a tomb in Montmartre Cemetery and a bronze bust in a public square. It's just one of the many ways Paris celebrates its beloved celebrities, blending history and modern fame seamlessly. Number 8. Rue des Martyrs. Rue des Martyrs in Montmartre, Paris is a well-known street that is famous for its history and vibrant atmosphere. Strolling along this delightful street, you'll come across a variety of intriguing shops, cozy cafes, and bustling markets. Locals and tourists alike flock to Rue des Martyrs to immerse themselves in authentic Parisian culture and cuisine. Whether you're in the mood for delectable pastries from local bakeries or taste of fine French cheeses from charming cheese shops, there's something here for everyone to savor. Don't forget to keep an eye out for hidden treasures and historical landmarks as you wander through the area. Rue des Martyrs truly embodies the unique charm and spirit of Montmartre. Number 9. Le Trésor. Le Trésor, meaning the treasure in English, lives up to its name as a hidden gem nestled in the vibrant streets of Montmartre. This charming spot is famous for its authentic French cuisine and cozy atmosphere, attracting both locals and tourists. Located on a lovely spot on Rue des Martyrs, Le Trésor catches the eye with its pretty facade, adorned with colorful flowers and rustic details. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by the delicious scents of freshly prepared food and the friendly faces of the staff. The menu at Le Trésor features a tempting selection of traditional French dishes made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From classics like coq au vin and boeuf bourguignon to indulgent desserts like crème brûlée and tarte tatin, each dish is a culinary work of art that celebrates the flavors and history of France. And that wraps up our Montmartre journey, from Bohemian vibes to modern chic. We hope you had fun exploring this charming neighborhood with us. Remember to subscribe to Discover.Learn.Travel for more exciting adventures around the world. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep traveling. Au revoir.